The idea is this, that these practices is not just doing the postures and that's it. Idea is this, that we have this body, and in this body we are sitting. This is our seat. This is our house. In this house we sit. Do you understand that? When we say asan, asan word means seat. Sanskrit word asan means seat. So this is the asan I'm sitting in. Actually, this is also the asan. We are sitting in this body. And when we are out of the body, asan is useless. So, who we are, we don't know. When I say, who are you? Instead of saying, how are you? Instead of that, how are you, I say, who are you? And then you have a problem. And for that purpose, if you read Maharshi Raman, that was the only thing helpful to him to understand. So, this is the body, and in this body we are sitting. Now, how many times we can sit in this body? Whatever position we take is a pose. You have to remember this. Any position we take is a pose. So therefore, there is not a wrong pose or right pose. You are doing some pose, some posture. And they say, 8,400,000 postures. How they figure it out? Now, if you Google it and ask how many species are there, they reached only 1,700,000 or 800,000 species. But they were talking about 8,400,000 species. And that is too much to learn those poses. So they took it out 84. See? Nice. Out of 84 also takes a long time. So what they did? 32. I'm talking about, there are books which talks about, one book talks about 84, another, Alan Delulu has given in this book, there is a book on this, 84 asanas are described. And Gerand Samhita described 32, Hata Pradipika 15, then 8, then 4, then 2, then 1. And you are curious, what is that 1 or what is that 2? Right? How many are yoga teachers here? Fantastic. I will have a separate meeting with you. Four, two, Siddhasan and Padmasan, adept pose and lotus pose. Then the last one, Padmasan only. Lotus pose. Why they are so much busy with the lotus? They have like lotus pose, they put it like this. You seen that? What is this? Jnana Mudra, the symbol of knowledge, right? Why this is it? Zero or full? Zero, it is zero, and also it is full. So if you follow Buddhism, is zero. Follow Hinduism, is full. Okay? But from the other point of view, there are a lot of things are there. But anyway, why lotus pose? The beauty of the lotus is it grows in the mud and water cannot stay on the lotus. And if the water rises, the lotus goes up and it responds to the sun, opens up. So the lotus position, live in the world and no world in you. It is a message. And if that message remains, nobody can touch you. And that is the important part of it.